Hi guys, I have a very exciting video for you guys today. We are going to be making cream cheese. So as you all probably know, there's been a massive cream cheese shortage the past 8 months or so. My local Publix finally had cream cheese in stock, and you guys, they were charging almost $4. It was like $3.79 for a single block of Philadelphia cream cheese, which is just crazy. So in today's self-sufficiency video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own homemade, really delicious cream cheese, so that you don't have to be so dependent on what's available at the grocery store. You don't have to shell out almost $4 for some cream cheese. So let's go ahead and get started in being a little bit more self-sufficient and making some cream cheese from scratch. These are the only ingredients that you need to make cream cheese. We have the whole milk, and it's very important that it's whole milk. You don't want to use low fat or skim milk. This is 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and some salt, and that's the only ingredients you need to make cream cheese. Alright, so we took a look at the very simple ingredients that we're going to need in order to make our cream cheese. Now let's take a look at the equipment that we're going to need to use. It's also super simple. You probably already have most of these things inside of your house. So let's take a look at what we're going to need in order to make our cream cheese. So we're going to need cheesecloth or any sort of fabric that is fine, but it's porous and has like little holes that what liquid can escape from. You're going to want a sieve, a bowl, a saucepan, some sort of wooden spoon or spatula or rubber spatula, and you're going to want either a food processor. A blender could also work in order to make the cream cheese, in order to process the cream cheese. So bowl, sieve, cheesecloth, pot, spoon, blender or food processor. That's it. Let's go to the stove and make our cream cheese. That's our cream cheese. Alright guys, we have made homemade cream cheese for this Self-Sufficiency Sunday. I do hope you guys try this recipe. It's just simmering some milk, adding some lemon juice or some white vinegar, and then we put it through the cheesecloth and blended it up, and now we have cream cheese. I'm actually going to be making a cheesecake with this cream cheese this weekend. I'm super excited. I hope you guys learned something new. Let me know down below if you do try this recipe out. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future sustainable or self-sufficiency Sunday videos that will be coming your way in coming weeks. Until then, take care you guys. Bye.